Okay. I want to know how many tulips. How many? So everybody, do you have a whiteboard? Everybody, show me your whiteboard or your paper. If you have a whiteboard or paper, show me your whiteboard or your paper. If you don't, you're going to have to use your fingers to show me. Ready? Can you figure out how many tulips? Anybody, can you figure it out? How many tulips? Write your answer on your whiteboard or on a piece of paper and show it to me. Well, what's your answer? Okay. Anybody? Anybody have an answer? Well, whether you have an answer or not, let's check. Let's count them together. And we're going to start by counting by ones, just to make sure we can all do it. Ready? Everybody start up here. Let's count by ones. Ready? One. Everybody out loud. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Go like this if you got 15 yourself. Okay, here's my question. Can anybody think of a way to count the tulips not by ones? Can you think of a way to count them, but not by ones? I'll give you a hint. You know what these are called? Everybody, does anybody know what these flowers are called? They're called tulips. So how should we count the tulips? Let's try by twos. You with me? Ready? Look up here. Let's count by twos. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Go like this if you see we got the same answer, 15. So which would you rather count by? Would you rather count by ones or count by twos? Show me with your fingers. Which do you like better, ones or twos? Oh, I see a lot of kids are saying twos. It's okay if you like ones, but I hope someday you like twos. Is that the best way to do it? Go like this if you think twos are the best way to do it. No, it's not the best way to do it. I got a better way to do it. You ready? I'm going to read you a poem I wrote. See if you get the clue. Ready? Canals and bikes and windmills too, grassy fields and skies of blue. In Holland, spring's the time of year for pretty flowers far and near. How many tulips are in bloom? A clever tack, you must assume. Mixing colors is the way to make a really smart bouquet. Now, does anybody know what it's called in math when we go across this way? Does anybody know what that's called? It's called a row. Go like this if you knew it's called a row when you go horizontally in math. Are the orange tulips in a row? Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Are the orange tulips in a row? Yep. Are the yellow tulips in a row? Yep. Are the red tulips in a row? Yep. What do you call it in math when you go down this way? Does anybody know that word? It's not a row. Anybody know what that word is? Does anybody know when you go up and down this way vertically, a row is horizontal. What's it called when you go vertical? Anybody? Did anybody say a column? Go like this if you knew it's called a column. When you go this way in math, we call that a column. Are those in a column? Yes. Is this another column? Yes. And is this another column? Yes. How many are in each column? Show me with your fingers. How many are in each column? Show me with your fingers. Well, let's count. 2, 4, 5. How many in the middle column? Let's count. 2, 4, 5. How many in the last column? 2, 4, 5. Go like this if you see groups of 5. Here's the big question. Are you listening? Show me with your fingers. How many groups of 5? How many groups of 5 do you see? Did anybody just say 3 groups of 5? Go like this if you said 3 groups of 5. Are you guys like in 3rd grade? Go like this if you're like, oh yeah, we're in 3rd and 4th grade here. Because that's what you're doing. You're like getting ready for multiplication. 3 groups of 5. Does anybody know how to count by 5? Go like this if you know how to count by 5. Okay, let's count by 5s together. Ready? 5, 10, 15. Go like this if you see we got 15 again. So how many different ways did we get 15? We counted by 1s. We counted by 2s. We counted by 5s. Which way do you like the best? Show me with your fingers. Do you like 1s, 2s, or 5s? Oh, a whole lot of kids say they like 5s. Go like this if you like counting by 5s. Oh, that is great. That's what we're going to do. We're going to start thinking in groups as we get older. Are you ready?